kagagaling na namin sa labas. The weather is beautiful outside. Bumili ako ng, I will just share yung binili ko sa MAC. Okay, so this one, binili ko is face and body foundation, yung maliit lang. Madaming nag-rave dito na maganda daw to sa yung parang everyday lang, everyday foundation. And then, I also bought this Glow Play blush in Grand, I think. Parang hindi siya powder, parang siyang cream. Yung bumili ako kasi may sale sila sa foundation, any foundation less than $10. So, bumili ako ng Studio Fix Fluid. So, pero mabait yung girl sales lady doon kasi sinabi niya pag hindi ko lang nagustuhan, I can go back to the store and then change something else. At ito yung exciting product. Ito, yung set siya. Kasi nung Friday, lumabas to yung kay Alana Davison? Alana Davison, sa YouTuber siya. Lumabas to. Canadian to siya, Canadian. And then, so, meron siyang collaboration sa MAC. So, ito yung collaboration niya. These are all full sizes. So, ito yung tsura niya. And ito yung laman. And then, the price for this is, kung bibilhin nyo, isa-isa, parang 186 something. Mahal siya. Pero, nabili ko lang siya ng parang 80 something dollars. So, cheap na siya. Kasi, full size naman lahat. Though, hindi ako subscriber niya. Nakita ko lang sa YouTube. So, parang, oh, interesting. Charan! Ito siya. Si Alana Davison. So, yung laman niya is, meron siyang Fix Plus, yung coconut. And then, meron siyang strobe cream. Yeah, in gold light. And then, meron siyang lip gloss. Strip down na lip liner. And then, meron siyang highlighter na Whisper of Guilt. Yeah, okay. So, yan lang yung binili ko sa MAC. Okay, so, andito kami ngayon sa mall. Nag-shopping ako sa Sephora. Kasi may sale sa Sephora yung so parang wala akong bayaran na tax. Kasi may 15%. So, Archer is eating the food.
My favorite.
Yeah. There's a restaurant here. I don't know if the other provinces has like this. It's a Thai restaurant that?
Ruby Thai.
Yeah, Ruby Thai ang tawag. So, gusto ni Archer kasi ang nagluluto is Filipino. So, parang Filipino food siya. Pero may pagka-Thai. Pero parang Filipino pa din. Di ba that? So, papakita ko yung mga nabili ko sa Sephora. Pili ako nito. Yung parang Pat McGrath na lipstick. Na, $33 plus to. And then, sale siya ng 16 and then additional 15% off. And then, ito din, bumili ako ng cleanser. Meron ako dito sa bahay. Yung binili ko the last time na nag-sale din ng Sephora. So, kasi mauubos na siya, so bumili ako ng extra. And then ito try ko to, bago to, hindi ko pa na-try to, is Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner. Kasi madami akong dark spots. So, and then, ang review nito is maganda. Nakakatanggal daw talaga to ng dark spots. So, we will try. I have a lot of dark spots. Ito naman, bumili ako ng yung parang Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter na parang pang glow. Kasi tumatanda na tayo, kailangan ibalik natin ang glow sa face. Ito din, parang this is a staple in my skincare. Palagi ko itong binibili every time may sale ang Sephora. Parang pang 5 times na ako ning a tub there. This is very nice. Yung
I use it once.
Bibili sana ako ng yung blush hourglass. Kaya lang pag try ko, siya, parang gray siya sa akin. So, hindi na ako bibili. So, bibili na ako ng Melt Makeup na cream blush in Sandy Cheeks. Okay, so try ko din to. So, I'm excited for my new. Pero actually, hindi naman lahat to. Yung mga bago. Yung mga luma, yung mga na-try ko na talaga to. Kasi, yung mga na-try ko, binibili ko siya sa Sephora pag sale para maka-less. Hindi ako bumibili sa Sephora pag hindi naka-sale. So, right now, we are going to eat our pancit. No, this is not pancit. Pero mura siyang pancit. This is ano siya nigdad?
Curry.
And then, what else do you have there?
Chicken. I don't know what's wrong.
Parang sweet.
Orange chicken or orange?
Ito yung favorite. Ano yung favorite ng mga bata din?
Pork barbecue.
Yeah. And then, ngayon, yung weather dito sa Moncton, parang
Back to winter.
Winter na naman kasi nag-snow sa labas. Nakakasad lang. Kasi the past few days, maganda yung weather. Diba dear? As in, super ganda. Pero ngayon, back to winter. So parang parang nag-skip yung summer sa amin. Okay, dito kami ngayon sa Costco. We're looking for a vacuum. We're looking for lift away release. Okay, we're looking for a sharp rotator lift away or this one, sharp bracket. Meron pa mas mahal. Dyson. It's $779. Meron pa yung vacuum sa bahay. Central vac kasi bahay namin. Kaya lang, mabigat siya. Bulky yung vacuum sa bahay. Nag-iisip kami ano bang kukunin. Kapag desisyon na kami, finally, after few hours, ito na ang kinuha namin. Kasi, ito siya, makakaano ka sa ilalim ng bed mo, yung parang masla-flatten mo siya. Ito, hindi kasi, hindi ito na, matatanggal to siya, pero, ito siya matatanggal. Yeah, matatanggal siya, Dad! Okay, so, yun na. Let's buy na. Let's pay it. Maganda din yung, parang robot. Kaya lang yung kasi niya may robot, kaya lang parang hindi ganyang brand. Pero sabi niya, parang ilang strands lang ng hair, nagko-complain na yung robot na natatanggol siya. So parang hindi maganda. Madaming hair sa bahay. Okay, so mag-unbox kami na bagong vacuum namin. It's sharp.
Sana, get scissors. Let's unbox. That's the head. Car.
So what's included that? Okay, it includes, that's French. Turn around it, Dad. Okay, it includes crevice tool. Maybe that one. Maybe this one.
Yeah, it's crevice. It's three scissors.
And then dusting brush. Maybe this one.
Yes.
This is the dusting brush. Upholster tool. This one is upholster. And then this one. So it comes with a bag. Charan!
Kinidless para ni.
Meron din naman cordless nito. But we chose the
Why did you choose
corded. Kasi ayaw ni Papa sa cordless diba hindi siya powerful.
And
No.
matumba lang ni siya. Hadon ko ano siya.
Dili niya siya yung ha. Kaya matumba siya. Di siya mo stand up. Okay be? Testing.
Testing nga.
Kung madagagan baghugaw sa itong carpet.
What is this one?
Put dirt. Here, dirt.
No. Oh yeah.
What is this dirt? Popcorn.
That's a filter, Dad.
Cat would still be. Yeah, because it's self-charge.
Okay, bukuhan siya. Oh, very good, Daddy. So, ikaw namang limpyo ron. Woo! Woohoo! Daddy is converting! Natin kung gano'ng karaming dumi yung makukuha ni siya. So, this one. The last. You can see our garbage.
There, a dirt.
Okay, our dirt is... Oh! Ew! There's a lot of dirt. Oh, there... Look at the hair! I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it.
I'm unboxing our 2-burner gas grill from Revoace. Let's see how it goes. So we're all done. little something on top. It's not the heavy one. Okay. And that's it. So we got the tank installed and snap there.
Are we gonna do this later?
Yeah, we're gonna bake here, Brie. We're now doing our first cooking, Brie, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you open it? See what's inside it? Oh yeah. Okay, close it. Let's make it cook for now.